Welcome to the future of YouTube automation or cash cow channels. Are you dreaming of launching a successful faceless YouTube channel but feeling overwhelmed about where to start? Maybe you're already a content creator, find it challenging to keep up with consistent video uploads. Whatever your YouTube journey, we're here to make it smoother and more successful. With our specialized YouTube automation services, you can sit back and watch your channel grow. Our team of seasoned experts takes care of everything from in-depth niche research to crafting engaging videos and scheduling them according to your plan. We're not just service providers, we're your creative partners, turning your vision into reality. We're excited to share that we've completed over 1,000 orders with excellent ratings from our satisfied clients. But don't just take our word for it. Check out the success stories of those who started just like you. They embarked on their YouTube journey with us and now enjoy a thriving, active channel with a growing audience. Are you ready to be our next success story? Place your order today to start your YouTube automation journey. Your channel, our passion. Together, let's create something truly amazing.
Want to turn your YouTube channel into a passive income powerhouse? Let's build it the smart way. Growing a successful YouTube channel isn't about luck, it's about strategy and expertise. That's exactly what we offer. End-to-end YouTube automation services that save you time while helping you build a channel that thrives. We begin by setting up your channel with a strategy tailored to your target audience. Our team will help you pick profitable niches and trending topics, ensuring you're always in the right space. Then, our expert scriptwriters create compelling, unique content, while our talented voiceover artists bring it to life in your preferred style. Next, our video editors work their magic, turning your vision into stunning, high-quality videos. Once your video is ready, we go the extra mile. Our SEO specialists ensure it gets maximum exposure with ranking techniques that put your content in front of the right viewers. And of course, our thumbnail designers create thumbnails that grab attention and boost click-through rates. Ready to stop guessing and start growing? Let's build your YouTube success together. Reach out today, and let's make your channel the next big thing.
Wow.